Hello everyone, this is Quantum. Today's video is about the new Smart Launcher 6. They released this update last January 2nd, 2022 with a bunch of features. I personally purchased the premium version to see and try their updates. Disclaimer, this is a not paid promotion. Amazingly, they included most of all the requested features. Not all the updates can be seen on main settings, but you can visit the info link in the description to see all the latest. I wonder if you could help me buy a cup of coffee? Click like and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell to keep you updated with my upcoming videos. Number 1. Movable home screen icons. You can now place the icons in your home screen wherever you want, which is very useful for making custom setup. Number 2. New grid system. This feature is made to keep your icons and widgets perfectly aligned. Go to Launcher Settings, Grid Properties and choose on Grid Presets. Choose from Standard, Dense, or Dense Plus. Or you can manually adjust the columns and rows. You can see the grid lines in your home screen. Number 3. Blurred effects. This one is my most awaited feature in Smart Launcher. This allows blurred effect on menu, search button, news feed and also on folders. It gives your phone a smooth and clean user interface. Number 4. Movable search bar. Same on your home screen icon, the search bar is now freely movable in your home screen, wherever you want. Plus, when the ambient theme is selected, the search bar changes its color depending on its position on the screen. Number 5. Icon group. With this feature, you can make a group of icons with style and/or add your icons depending on its category. You can also change the icon style and resize the group. You can also make a folder group using this feature, which makes this update quite unique. Bonus: if you want this setup, you can check the details in my Instagram post, link is in the description. Thanks for watching, keep stirring, and see you on my next one.